Hello kids, let's start counting 1 to 10. 1 balls, 2 baby ducks, 3 rooster, 4 parrots, 5 birds, 6 apple, 7 pencil, 8 balloons, 9 flowers, 10 ducks. Let's read again 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.